everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted on this channel. I don't know if I posted for the year. If not, happy new year to each and every one of you that's watching. Oh my gosh, thank God for allowing us to see a brand new year 2018. We have come so far and we've got further to go in Jesus' name. Okay, yeah. Okay, anyway, I am super excited. I don't know if you've noticing anything different with this particular video right now, but I am super excited because I got a ring light, and the way that I got this ring light, it is nothing short of a miracle. I practically got this ring light for free. If you want to hear how that came about, leave a comment down below. Let me know and I will share that story with you. I've always wanted a ring light. I had it on my to do or to get list for a very long time, and the way that I got it is just nothing short of a blessing, and I give God all the praise and all the thanks. The video that you are about to watch is of this face right here. I haven't really been wearing makeup a lot since the year started. I've really been thinking of putting more emphasis into this channel, and I know that in order for me to do that, I have to get more lighting and I have to be a little bit more upbeat and optimistic and show my personality a little bit more so that people can come and feel comfortable and enjoy what I have to offer. But I wanted to do a tutorial with my ring light to see how it will come out, and I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, because YouTube is going to demonetize my channel because I don't have 1,000 subscribers and people are not watching my videos, and that's because I'm not really like putting more into it. I'm planning on being more vigilant now, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, stop what you're doing right now, pause this video and hit the subscribe button and support your girl. Okay, if you're Guyanese, come on, support your girl. And if you want me to subscribe to your channel, leave your channel link down below and I will subscribe, because hand wash hand, my can come clean. Anyway, let me stop rambling and talking crazy stuff. The tutorial is on this look right here. My eyes are running, so if it looks a little crazy, it's because it's running and I have to hurry and go wash this off. All the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. If you are a company and you want to reach out to me and work with me and all that stuff, I will leave my email down below for you to reach out to me. And yeah, onto the video. Enjoy the tutorial, and if you do try this look out, I will leave my Twitter down below so you can tweet me and let me see what you did, and I'll leave my Instagram also down below so you can like hit me up on Instagram, insta chat me. If you haven't given your life to Jesus, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Come to Jesus. He has all the answers for the questions that you have, that you seek, the love that you're looking for. He has it waiting for you. It's free of cost, and it's the best love that you will ever receive in your life. All right, so if you don't know Jesus, give your life to him. I will leave my verse for the day down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video very soon. Yo, God bless you. I'm going to do is apply this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the color Milk to my eyelid. This is going to help to make the color pop a little bit more as opposed to using a regular eyelid primer. You can use a regular eyelid primer if you want to, but I'm not. I'm gonna use this. And by the way, I have mascara on because I put it on this morning for work. I know it's looking a little crazy. That's alright, we're gonna fix it. So the next thing I'm going to take is this setting powder, and this is from Sasha. And I'm going to set this because it creases really quickly. For my entire eye look, I will be using this palette. this 28 foil palette from BH Cosmetics. Guess you can see better. The first color I'm going to apply is this yellow right here. I'm gonna take this mini eyeshadow, well, this small eyeshadow brush from Morphe, and I'll apply it onto my lid. Take this color right here, which is gold. It's like a goldish color. Next, I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer part of the outer V. This fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance. And I'm going to take this color right here, lightly dust it on the inner corner to the outer V of my eye. I'm gonna go back over all of the colors just to intensify it a little bit. Apply all of the colors on the lid onto the lower lash line. Take this blue eyeliner from Jordana. This is called Blue Devine, and I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to take this glitter liner from NYX as well, and I'm going to put a line here under this wing, and I'm going to put it in the middle. I'm going to apply this mascara. This is by L'Oréal. This is their Lash Paradise. So now I'm going to focus on my things, and I'm going to apply my concealer first, and this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. I'm going to be trying out this beauty blender by NYX. I picked it up in Ulta for $10, and I want to see how this works. I'll be right back. This is what it looks like. It has foundation. I'm using the LA Girl Pro, and this is Coffee. I'm gonna highlight under my eyes with the Maybelline Better Skin, and this is in the color 09 Deep. I'm gonna set my under eye using the same Sacha Butter translucent powder. Let me dust this away immediately because I do not want it to bake. Now I'm gonna set my entire face with the Deluxe powder from Black Opal, and this is in the color Dark. I'm going to the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to take Brownie Bite. I'm going to contour. I have to be very careful with this because it's very pigmented. Before I apply my highlight, I'm going to spray my face first with the Mario Badescu and let all this powder stuff settle, and then I'm going to highlight. So I'm going to use this Dose of Color liquid lipstick, and this is Mood. I'm going to apply my highlight, and I'm going to take French Toast from the It's My Ray Ray, and I'm going to apply it onto my cheekbone, my nose, and possibly my brow bone. I don't know yet.